Finding the right sport for you can be a challenge. Let's explore some tips to help you choose the perfect fit. Consider your interests and hobbies. If you enjoy being outdoors, you might want to try sports like hiking, cycling, or swimming. Think about your physical abilities. If you're naturally strong, sports like weightlifting or rugby could be a good match. Take into account your personality. If you're competitive and enjoy team dynamics, team sports like soccer or basketball might be ideal. Consider your schedule and availability. If you have limited time, individual sports like running or yoga can be more flexible. Don't be afraid to try something new. Exploring different sports can help you discover hidden talents and passions. Listen to your body. Choose a sport that aligns with your physical capabilities and doesn't put excessive strain on your health. Seek advice from experts or coaches. They can provide valuable insights and guidance to help you make an informed decision. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the sport you choose. It's all about finding your own personal fit. So go ahead, explore your options, and embark on an exciting sports journey tailored just for you.